The affidavit agrees that the meeting with the NSAC delegation, it was a delegation by the NSAC, started with a round of introduction. The delegation was led by Mr. Kennedy Cherera, Principal Administrative Secretary of the Office of the President. The other participants were Kennedy Ogeto, Solicitor General, Mr. Hilary Mutiamba, Inspector General of Police, and Lieutenant General Francis Omondi Ogola, Vice Chairman of the Defense Forces.
Do you personally know?
Two specific vehicles.
Do you personally know these people?
I personally know them. These are public figures.
Thank you.
Yes. They are common faces in the public.
Just as a matter of yeah.
Heavenly realm is a complex legal framework. That's the reason why there's hell. Kenyans. I believe that they have the opportunity to ask for forgiveness if they are found culpable, to the millions of Kenyans that their actions would have thrown them off. Who knows when 1,100 Kenyans died from political violence in 2007, when 900 Kenyans, majority of them women, were subjected to rape and other demonic ordinances. To date, there has been no apology offered. By who? We don't know. It would be imperative that because these people are under oath, they promise to behave in a particular way. During the tribunal, they have the opportunity for fair hearing. And I believe through the fair hearing, then there will be the tools of justice or administrative justice or whichever it is that will be able to. But this house is beholden to Kenyans to make sure that it is not the rule of politics. We are not the wild, wild west. It is the rule of law. And the rule of law, it means that every man must carry his cross.
So you're saying repentance first?
Yes.
Then forgiveness next.
By the way, even mercy, even grace is a tool, is a judicial tool that is offered after you have been found guilty. And so there has to be a judicial process that takes place to gauge you whether your actions warrant hell or whether you should be given mercy or grace or thereabout. But these officers, state officers, must be weighed on a scale. And if they are found wanting, then the various instruments of law should then take effect.
Thank you very, very much, Reverend.
Thank you.
I think that brings it to a close of your petition.
Thank you.
Are you calling any witness at this present moment in time, or
Not at all.
that is sufficient for now?
It is sufficient.
All right, good enough. If this committee ever requires you to appear before it again, for whatever reason, please make sure you are available and you will come so that you can satisfy the committee on whatever issues they may require you to satisfy them in.
Thank you.
Otherwise, thank you very much for the presentation this afternoon. On Monday and Tuesday, we've set it for the respondents. And it's vitally important that possibly you hear what their defense is. And we confirm we'll afford you an opportunity to cross-examine them.
Thank you.
Right?
I'll be here.
Because then they forwent their right to cross-examine you this morning, and that is not going to be reopened, but you will have a right to cross-examine them if they choose to appear before us and offer some response to whatever you've said.
Thank you.
Otherwise, we notify you it's at 10 o'clock on Monday and Tuesday. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Honorable Chair. I was given a book to write before I take it away and it becomes stolen goods.
That becomes a gift to you.
It becomes a gift
but
to me.
it doesn't in any way reflect anything.
Thank you.
Purely it was for
I
you
just
to
wanted
make
it
your
to be on
notes,
record.
and you may keep those notes for your future reference.
Thank you so much, Honorable Chair.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You may usher the petitioner, and we again thank him for coming, and we thank him for the presentation. Very good. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable members of the committee, these proceedings will continue tomorrow at 10 o'clock. For the committee members, it's 9 o'clock in-house, but the real proceedings open to the public and to the press will be at 10 o'clock. So we will converge here so that we continue hearing these petitioners regarding their own petitions. Thank you very much. Maybe the honorable members, we can go to the room where we were. But let me thank the media also because they've been with us throughout. I think they've observed the rules we laid in the morning of decorum, and it's good for the country to be informed what we are doing, because this is for their own good. We may take it whichever way, but this is for the good of the country, and this is the reason why we are giving it maximum attention within the times that was stipulated by the Speaker of the National Assembly. There isn't anything we are imposing on anybody. There isn't anything we are doing outside the standing orders of the House. This is all within the standing orders, within our own laws, and within the Constitution of Kenya. Thank you very much. All right. Okay, thank you. The press may leave. The in-house is going to be here because I'm told the boardroom is being used by another team. I think another committee is meeting there.